Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holder? Can Dogecoin will make you rich man in June? Absolutely, what a beautiful question, my brother. Especially, I will predicate this coin. I do a technical analysis, and after that, my friend, I will tell you to really there is a chance to they will make you a rich man or not, my brother. So let's see first of all. If you can see here in the June first 3 days is on the screen. Today is the 4th June, my friend. You can see here this time, but absolutely you can see here the last 3 days chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely you can see here is showing, my brother. You can see here, after a big jump they take a short phase, but after that you can see here again they're starting moving upward. So exactly in the start of one average graph you can see spell is down, but you can see here the Dogecoin one of the unique coin to they just in only moving upward. So it's 100% possible, my friend, to they will make you rich. If they just only hit $1 then you are a millionaire, my brother. I will tell you to you are a millionaire. So you need to hold for this time. I hope in upcoming time they will go in the moon now, so you need to hold and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching, Dogecoin holder. This is my personal opinion, to hold and don't sell it. And yes, my prediction is that to upcoming time the future is going to be very bright, because you can see here especially in this time you can see they're moving upward, so it's mean to upcoming time they also moving upward. So thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.